Hello everyone and welcome to another The DIY Workshop tutorial. In this video we will show you how to perform a maintenance job on a 2019 4x4 2-liter diesel engine 190 horsepower Skoda Super Sportline. If you like our tutorials, you can reward our effort with a simple tap on the subscribe or like button. Don't forget to share your opinion about the tutorial in a comment. Enough with the talking and let's get to work. Obviously, to perform the maintenance job, you will need the new oil filter, the new air cabin filter, the new air filter, and 4.8 liters of 5W30 engine oil, and of course the new fuel filter. First step is to go under the car and remove the splash shield. To do this, you will need a T20 Torx, and now a 13mm socket. Use a 19mm socket to remove the drain plug. The oil filter's housing is also located under the car right over there. To remove the cap, you will need a 32mm socket. To make more room, you will need to place this hose aside. In the middle of the cap there is a small drain plug that you can remove first, but the oil will spill all over the place anyway, so to save time, we will just remove the entire cap of the housing. Place the cap into a container and you can now remove the old oil filter. The new oil filter comes with two O-rings, one for the drain plug and one for the cap. Even though we didn't use the small 13mm drain plug, we will replace its O-ring because in time, due to the oil's high temperature, it may wear and crack, leading to oil leaks. Now it's time to remove the larger O-ring. Clean the used oil with some paper towels and insert the new oil filter. You can clean the cap of the oil filter's housing using brake cleaner. Then you can put on the new O-ring and moisten it using some engine oil. Thread the cap back in and tighten it up to a torque of 25 Nm. Clean all the oil spills and place the hose back in place. On this model you are supposed to order a new drain plug for the maintenance, but the owner didn't buy one, so we used the old one. Thread the drain plug and tighten it up to a torque of 30 Nm. Now you can go up and add the new oil. This model needs 4.8 liters. To replace the air filter, you will have to remove the T20 screws holding the cap of the air filter's housing. Normally we would use a vacuum cleaner to remove any dirt, but the housing on this car has some plastic grills and the dirt is stuck under them, so we used compressed air instead. Don't forget to block the intake opening. Make sure the edges are in the right position and place the cap back on. The cabin filter is located behind the glove box, so you will have to lower it as illustrated. Now you have access to the cap of the cabin filter's housing. To remove it, you just have to release 3 clips. You can do that with a simple flathead screwdriver. So we got 1, 2, and 3. Replace the old cabin filter with the new one, making sure the arrows drawn on its side point downwards according to the airflow. And we finally got to the fuel filter. To remove the cap, you have to unscrew the small T25 bolts. Now you'll have to take out all the fuel, because most of the time you will find dirt on the housing's bottom. You can do that with a large syringe or a manual fuel pump. As expected, there was some dirt at the bottom, so we used paper towels to remove it. Insert the new fuel filter inside and place the cap back on. The torque for the bolts on the cap is 5 + 1 Nm. To bleed the fuel lines the right way, you will need a diagnostic tool and follow the following next steps. Go to Engine, Basic Settings, Transfer Fuel Pump, press Go and wait for about 10 seconds and then press Stop. And that was it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for free, like or leave a comment. Until next time, we wish you all the best and remember, the DIY workshop saves money. Bye bye.